Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef nihari step by step. Start by prepping beef and spices, then brown meat in ghee for depth of flavor. Add water and masala, bring to a gentle simmer, skimming foam as needed. Cook low and slow until collagen melts and gravy thickens, then add garnishes and finish with lemon and fresh herbs. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving with naan or rice. Begin by searing the beef shanks in hot ghee until deeply brown to lock in juices and flavor. Add ginger, garlic, and nihari masala, stirring for a minute to bloom the spices. Pour in 6 cups of water, bring to a gentle simmer, cover partially, and cook low and slow until meat falls off the bone. Finish by adjusting salt, adding lemon, and resting briefly before serving warm. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more content for you. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control keeps kitchens tidy so you can focus on cooking without the cleanup stress. I love how it navigates around chairs while I simmer, and it frees up time for family and flavor experiments. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once the nihari is rich and silky, add fresh sliced ginger, chopped cilantro, and crisp fried onions for contrasting textures. Serve immediately with warm naan or steamed rice to soak up the gravy and balance flavors. If storing, cool quickly, transfer to an airtight container, and refrigerate for up to 3 days or freeze portions for longer. Reheat gently on low heat, adding a splash of water if needed to loosen the sauce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.